Monday, July 28th, the price opened above the previous day, made three red candle, and then the price goes up with five green candle in row, and from here the price failed going down. Right here, very important at at this at this level. This candle right here was completely in red and became in green. This means it entered in call because before was red and became green. This is a clear entry in call. Start off right here. Um, four or five green candle. It is exit right here. Or right here is enough to take profit because it's very important to take profit. The price continue going up with two green candle, goes down with three red candle, and from here the price goes up. And this candle right here, this candle with a weak rejection above, this means the seller took the control of the position. With this pattern, it is entered in put as always, instead of right here above, because if this trade doesn't work, it's okay to accept small losses. From here, the price going down. When you get your profit, always take your profit. Don't wait too long because the price can go up and you're going to lose all your profit. For that reason, when you got your 50, 100% in profit, take it and be happy with that. From here, the price it was oscillating. The price dropped down with this big red candle, goes up, and this is the beauty. This is the beauty engulfing because in bold two green candle below previous, this is a clear entry in put. Stop loss always above right here, very tight. 4 and 6 red candle in row always take profit. When the price going down with four green candle, four red candle in row, the price going down for four red candle, take profit. Sometimes the price make 6 red candle, but with four red candle, it's okay to take profit. When you see only one green candle after the price it was going down, only one green candle, this means I'm obliged to abandon this position, yes or yes, because from here, look, the price goes up, was sour, it went up. For that reason, after the price going down with, in this case, the price made 5 green candle in row, only one green candle, one more time, I'm obliged to abandon this position and put yes or yes. From here, the price was oscillating. Nothing clear to get it in call. The price went up, but without me because I didn't see any bullish engulfing. For me, probably for you got it in call. I didn't get it in this trade. I didn't. I didn't. I didn't have nothing clear to get in this trade. But it's okay. One good trade because when you recognize patterns, candlestick, price action, it's not complicated to trade. It's not complicated to trade. In the beginning, when I got started, many years ago, my eyes couldn't see these patterns. Now, after many years, I got started in this business in 2017. Now my eyes can see this pattern very clear. And more important is stop loss because if you get it in call, whether in call or in put, always put your stop loss above the same candle. For example, in this candle, I got it input, my stop loss it is above. If I go enter in call, stop loss below. This way, you go minimize your losses.